Hello my wonderful audience. Gather round because we need to talk about something fairly ridiculous that just dropped on my desk, yet alarmingly common: scams. Yo, it's Dr. Cool. We are all filled with excitement of the new invention of self-powered car. Lots of folks are desperate to get their hands on this stellar invention and start enjoying the benefits already. Yes, I know most of you want to be among top 100 first to own self-powered car, superbike or generator. However, this is the moment scammers have been waiting for to snap your hard-earned cash and disappear. Just a moment ago, I almost fell for it before I started noticing something strange, out of order. So, I decided to share with you folks so you stay safe out there. Specifically, scams surrounding the revolutionary self-powered technology developed by Maxwell Chikumbutso. Pretending to be a salesman or vendor, they can copy the official email of Saith Technologies and add their number on it, so it looks unsuspicious. Yes, we know it's groundbreaking, capable of changing the world, and naturally it's become a magnet for fraudsters. We're going to expose the top 5 ways to protect yourselves from these self-powered car scams. Look, I understand the temptation, but if that website isn't www.safetechnologies.com, you're about to be taken for a ride. Saith Technologies, folks. That's the only legitimate source for Maxwell Chikumbutso's tech. Scammers build slick websites with fake testimonials and stolen images. The only way to guarantee you're getting the real deal is to go directly to the source. So, you found the official Saith Technologies website, but wait, don't hit that send button until you've given that email address a thorough once-over. Scammers are everywhere, and they're very good at blending in. Look for inconsistencies, typos, and anything that seems even slightly off. If you're unsure, contact Saith Technologies directly through their website and verify the email address. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, especially when it comes to your hard-earned cash. Rule number 3. That's not Maxwell Chikumbutso. On WhatsApp, it's a fisherman prince in disguise. If you think you're chatting with a world-renowned inventor on WhatsApp, you're either incredibly naive or in the wrong corner of the internet. Scammers often impersonate famous personalities to lure unsuspecting victims into their traps. The real Maxwell Chikumbutso is not out here hawking his wares on WhatsApp. He is busy with his groundbreaking inventions and has no time for random chats. If you get a message from a suspicious account, hit that block button and report the account. It's crucial to stay vigilant and protect yourself from these scams. Protect your fellow humans from falling prey to these digital bottom feeders. Share this knowledge and help create a safer online community for everyone. Rule number 4. Unless you live in Zimbabwe or China, that self-powered car ain't for you, yet. Unless your current address involves Zimbabwe or China, that self-powered car is going to have to remain a figment of your imagination for now. We're talking about cutting-edge technology here, still tightly controlled by Saith Technologies. If you stumble across a listing on Alibaba boasting a genuine Chikumbutso engine, close that laptop and back away slowly. Don't fall for it. Rule number 5. Pre-orders and secret deals are just fancy words for goodbye money. These tactics are designed to create a sense of urgency, making you feel like you're missing out on something exclusive, but in reality, they often lead to regret and empty wallets. Saith Technologies is not accepting payments via Western Union or that suspiciously large Bitcoin balance your uncle left you. Always verify the payment methods directly from the official website to avoid falling into traps. They're also not offering exclusive pre-order discounts to the first 100 people who reply to a cryptic email. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always double-check the source. Secure payment methods are your friends. Think credit cards and reputable online payment platforms. These methods offer better protection and recourse if something goes wrong. If someone's pressuring you to pay quickly, trust your gut. It's usually right. Take your time to research and ensure everything checks out before making any payments. Outro: don't be a statistic, outsmart the scammers and drive towards a secure future. Scammers prey on hope, exploiting the excitement surrounding self-powered technology. They use sophisticated tactics to deceive and manipulate, making it crucial for us to stay one step ahead. But we're not going to let them win, are we? Together we can build a community that is resilient and informed. Share this video with your friends and family, spread the word and help others stay safe from these scams. Let's work together to create a world where the only people profiting from self-powered technology are the ones who actually invented it. Innovation should benefit the creators, not the scammers. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and please be careful out there. Knowledge is our best defense against these threats. The future of technology depends on it. Let's ensure it's a future built on trust and genuine innovation. In order to save yourself from these scammers, subscribe to my channel and stay up to date about the genuine information about the self-powered technologies. If you have done that, share this video with your pals. Let's get informed and not fall a victim of fraudsters. As always, I am Dr. Cool Autofix. Now, if you will excuse me, I have a flight to catch.